We have the first heat-related death of the summer in the St. Louis area. St. Anne police say a woman died in her home after living without air conditioning for several days. Our Annie Krall talked to first responders about what they're doing to keep people cool. Annie?
And we now know the woman who was killed in the heat was named Shauna Thomas. Doctors telling me this afternoon deaths like hers are the reason they ask people to keep checking on their loved ones and neighbors as we approach our hottest months of the year. St. Anne police told us Shauna Thomas was found dead inside her home on Cabana Club Drive after being inside with no AC or running water for at least 3 days. Unfortunately, St. Louis Fire Chief Dennis Jenkerson sees similar situations in the city.
People are calling us because they're down, they passed out, they're overheated, whether it's a heat stroke or heat exhaustion. So our numbers are ramping up.
Chief Jenkerson urges everyone to look out for their neighbors.
Talk to the neighbor on each side of you. If you have a senior or an individual that has some medical issues, knock on their door, talk to them, see if they need anything.
He joined other area leaders at a Cool Down St. Louis event on Tuesday morning, distributing window air conditioners to qualifying people in need who have no AC unit at all. Ameren and Cool Down St. Louis continue to partner in helping more than 1.8 million people.
We ask that you give us and our partners some grace so that we all work together to defeat the deadly heat and keep our area residents cool and alive.
Chair of Emergency Medicine at Mercy St. Louis, Dr. Rick Schmidt, said they've already seen an uptick in heat-related illnesses, especially when people are working outside.
We see in the emergency department lightheadedness, nausea, vomiting, chest pain, trouble breathing, and altered mental status, like being confused or just not thinking clearly.
And Chief Jenkerson says they can be on 15 to 25 heat-related calls a day, from people passing out to getting heat stroke during weeks like this. If you or someone you know doesn't have regular access to air conditioning, medical experts recommend calling 211 to find your nearest cooling shelter.